Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up hotspot in Redmi Note 13 device. So firstly guys, you have to go to settings and then comes to more connectivity options. So here we have an option of portable hotspot. Just tap here guys and you can enable it. As you guys see, the hotspot is now enabled. Now for setting up guys, firstly set up portable hotspot. So just tap here and you can change the name of the device and change the password from here. So let me change the password to 1234567 8 and the name of the device to Mobileinto. Okay, now guys, we can also change device identification to default or portable hotspot. We can set up security from here. We can hide its SSID, but I don't want to hide it, so just tap here and as you guys see, the hotspot name is now changed and the password is also now completely changed. So that's how guys we can set up the hotspot in Redmi Note 13 device. We can also set up one-time data limit if you enable this feature. So you can set up the data limit from 50 MB, 1 GB, 2 GB, and it's all up to you. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.